Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off this laptop. First, open the start menu, then go to power options and select shutdown. Now, in case you cannot access this menu, for example, if your device is frozen, you can force shut down your laptop by pressing and holding the power key for about 15 seconds until your device powers off. Let's wait. And as you can see, we did that. Now you can turn your device on again by pressing the power button, short pressing the power button again, and at this point it's the end of the video. So thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.